2015 Lexus RX 350 is a mid-size luxury SUV with seating for 5 passengers, sold by Lexus, which is the luxury division of Toyota. It is now currently in its third generation. The Lexus RX 350 has been awarded as one of the best resale value for a luxury vehicle out there, and was also the first SUV to be named as the most dependable vehicle in the US. The 2015 Lexus RX was engineered with highly rigid body structure, with front and rear crumple zones, side impact door beams, reinforcement in pillars and door sills, impact dissipating upper interior trims, a collapsible steering column, as well as a collapsible brake pedal. The Lexus RX 350 also comes standard with a lot of features. One I would like to mention is the active torque-controlled all-wheel drive system that can provide improved control on a wide range of road surfaces and conditions by automatically allocating engine power between the front and rear axle. In fact, the system on the RX 350 is so innovative that under normal driving conditions, 100% of the power is sent to the front wheels for optimal efficiency, and when a series of sensors detect a change in conditions, the system can instantly send up to 50% of the power to the rear wheels to help maintain overall traction. Up front, you quickly notice the pair of high-intensity discharge headlamps with striking LED daytime running lights. The HID headlamps provide illumination up to 3 times that of conventional halogen headlamps while reducing the power consumption by roughly 30%. They also feature a dynamic auto-leveling functions that automatically adjust the angle of the headlamps to help reduce glare to oncoming drivers. At the bottom is the pair of LED fog lamps that comes as an option on the RX 350. And here's a closer look at the Lexus spindle grille with the Lexus logo in the middle. Park assists are also built into the front bumper. Rain sensing windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the upgraded 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels with 235/55 Michelin all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of 4-wheel internally ventilated power-assisted disc brake with 4-piston brake caliper painted in silver for better braking performance. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. On top you see the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide open, as well as the double aluminum roof rails. It also features anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, traction control, as well as vehicle stability control. To the back, you see the pair of LED tail lights with integrated LED brake light, as well as turn signal light. Tail lights are very stylish. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser and a single exhaust tip that's hidden under the rear bumper. Park assists are also integrated into the rear bumper. Here's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And on top is the roof spoiler with integrated third LED brake light. Alright, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the lock, unlock, trunk release, and the panic buttons. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. The car does come equipped with smart access key system, so with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as obsidian, featuring black and gray leather interior, black on the dash, black and gray on the door panel, with aluminum trims all around. Looks really elegant and classy. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Lexus RX350 have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine, 24-valve, with dual variable valve timing with intelligence. 6-speed automatic electronically controlled transmission with intelligence, with sequential shift and snow modes, front-wheel drive, pushing out 270 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 7.7 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 112 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 18 city, 25 highway, and 21 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here's a look at the driver's side door panel. It is all black with gray in the middle sections. All 4 windows are fully automatic. There's the side view mirror controlled with folded options. There you have the storage compartment, as well as a cup holder, gray leather sections with wood trims, Lexus aluminum door shield. There's the pedal. And here's a closer look at the seat. Front seats are perforated and thus offer heated and ventilated options. Both front seats feature 10-way power adjustable front seats, including 4-way power lumbar supports and height adjustable headrests for all seats. With 3 preset memory for driver seats, including steering wheel and outside mirrors, and 3 preset memory for passenger seat. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with 3-section wood trims and aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel really nice, featuring multi-function control side by side for your convenience, with control for audio, voice command, Bluetooth wireless telephone, as well as the most frequent use function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel on the right, you have the windshield wiper controlled. To the left, you have the turn signal light controlled, as well as the light controlled. And here's the look at the gauge. Steering wheel does feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. And there's the cruise control. Over to the left, you have the driver's side air vent, as well as the cup holder. Down here you have the instrument light control and the odometer trip, trunk release, gas release, and the blind spot monitoring system. And down there you have the parking brake. And here's a closer look at the dash. Now this model does comes with the Lexus 12-speaker premium display audio system with HD radio with iTunes tagging, USB, iPod, and MP3 controlled. And for better audio experience, you can always upgrade to the Mark Levinson premium surround sound system that offers true audiophile with 15 speakers. Here's the 7-inch color LCD display, multimedia controlled, dual climate controlled. And here's the look at the gearbox. Just pull down to get into reversed. Once you're in reversed, both side view mirror will tilt down, as well as rear view camera will activate on the multimedia screen to help with a much easier backup. And pull down again to get into neutral, down again to get into drive, and over to the left to get into sport or standard mode, and that's when you can push it up or down to select different gears. Pretty simple to use. And here's the remote touch controller. The remote touch device allows you to easily move through logical menus of the RX features, located centrally for your comfort and convenience. Buttons on either side are accessible to both driver and front passengers. You can just move it around to move around screen, or press down to select. And here you have the traction controlled on and off, 2 cup holder, 3 stage heated and ventilated options, center storage compartment with a USB and auxiliary input, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Beautiful aluminum trims on the dash, glove box compartment, and a closer look at the seat. On top you have the light controlled, and that's the safety connect to use in case of an emergency. And there you have the open, tilt, and close moonroof buttons. Now the moonroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slides out for an open air feeling. And there's the manual sunshade, universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with a card holder, Okay, now let's check out the rear seat. Rear seats offer seating for 3, and it does offer folded options. You can fold it down into 60 or 40 split to get additional cargo space, and it does look quite spacious in the back. And here's the look to the driver's side rear door panel. Rear windows are fully automatic, and the beautiful wood trims in the back as well. There you have the cup holder. Alright, now let's jump into the rear seat and see how it feels in the back. But first, let me show you the front cabins. Very luxurious front cabin. And here's the look to the top. Down here you have 2 air vents for the rear passenger. Alright, rear seats is really comfortable, and there you have the rear seats pocket. I'm 5'8" and still have plenty of leg rooms left. Also plenty of headrooms as well. Rear seats are well padded, and it is ventilated as well. Up here you have the light controlled. And the hook for your clothes, to hang your clothes. And in the middle you have the center armrest with a storage compartment. And 2 more cup holder for the rear passengers. And here's a look to the back. Alright, now let's pop the trunk and see how much cargo space it offers. The trunk in the RX350 offers 40 cubic feet of cargo space, plenty of space for your needs, and you can always fold down the rear seat to get additional cargo space. And here you have the privacy protector to cover your personal belongings. And down here you have the extra cargo space. Alright, you can pull both the lever located on each side of the vehicle to fold down the rear seat, like such. Plenty of cargo space after the rear seats are folded down, and you can always remove the privacy protector too. One touch close. Gas cap is located on the driver's side. It does require premium unleaded fuel only and holds approximately 19.2 gallons of fuel. Overall, the 2015 Lexus RX350 is a mid-size luxury SUV with seating for 5 passengers. It is the most selling SUV for the Lexus brand. Rear seats is quite spacious with 36.8 inches legrooms, 37.7 headrooms, 57.7 shoulder rooms, and 54.5 hip rooms. The front cabin is very stylish and classy, yet elegant, offering great upholstery material and great aluminum trims and wood trims all around. Sitting are really comfortable in the front, and paired with the 10-way power adjustable seat, no doubt you will be really comfortable even on a long road trip. Plenty of leg rooms in the front. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2015 Lexus RX350. Go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.